How to add a filter on iPhone camera. To begin, unlock your iPhone and locate the camera app, then tap to open it. Once the camera is open, swipe across the modes at the bottom of the screen and select Photo. Now look at the top right part of the screen and tap on the arrow pointing up to reveal additional options. A row of new icons will appear just above the shutter button at the bottom of the screen. Swipe through the options until you find the 3 overlapping circles icon, which represents filters, and tap on it. A horizontal list of filter previews will now appear just above the shutter button. Swipe left or right through the filter options to preview how each one looks in real time. Tap on any filter to apply it instantly to your live camera preview. Once the desired filter is selected, you can go ahead and take a photo by tapping the white shutter button. The filter will be applied automatically to the picture once it is captured. Following these steps, you can easily add a filter on iPhone camera.